Last week we held the Modelling and Simulation workshop for our ProMiSe project here at the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. The workshop opened with an inspirational address by our project leader, Professor Dittmeyer, really encouraging us to think not just about the modelling and simulation challenges in our research as they stand now, but how those might evolve over time, and in particular the contribution that AI, or artificial intelligence, might play in process engineering and process engineering research in the future. Our workshop sessions were led by Dr. Alexander Stroh, and he not only led us through the concepts of modelling and simulation as it applies to our research, but gave us some excellent hands-on demonstrations of solving our models using OpenFOAM, and this was a really unique feature of this workshop. We were very fortunate to have Professor Claire Adjeman, Professor from the Department of Chemical Engineering at Imperial College London, as our invited international keynote speaker, and she gave her keynote presentation on the topic of molecular systems engineering and discussed a couple of case studies where they had used really impressive tools developed in her group to look at problems from a very wide range of scales, from the fundamental building blocks of the molecules themselves right up to real process plants and simulations, and how they were able to use these new approaches and new tools to really identify ways to accelerate the process from molecular discovery through to application. So that really provoked a lot of discussion and really made us think a lot more about where we work on this continuum between molecules and chemical processes. We had some excellent opportunities for discussion. Each of the projects gave a short talk presenting their research, and in particular the modelling and simulation challenges in their research. And this was followed up in the afternoon with a poster session where not only were students able to present the work that they were doing in their modelling in particular, but they were able to discuss it with each other, discuss it with our invited speaker, Professor Adjeman, and share tips and suggestions with each other. We had some good networking, including over a nice dinner on the Thursday evening. And on the Friday morning, we were very fortunate that Professor Adjeman hosted a roundtable breakfast discussion for the female members of our ProMiSe project. And they were able to discuss some of the unique challenges that they face and benefit from the insights of Professor Adjeman on how she has overcome some of those in her very successful career to date. We had some further sessions on the second day with OpenFOAM, as well as there were, in addition to that, 3 interesting extra features to our workshop. The first was a presentation from Karlsruhe House of Young Scientists about the services they provide to postgraduates and postdoctoral researchers here at KIT, which includes the opportunity to have funded overseas research placements. The second interesting talk was from Research Data Management team here at KIT, and about the facilities, the resources, the support that they provide, but in particular how that support and how those services are evolving and how closely they work with researchers to make sure that we have the tools and we have the facilities available to gather our data, process our data, store our data, and archive our data, and very importantly, to share our data, to make it fair. So that was an excellent presentation. The final really interesting activity, you might say, was to visit and walk through the wind tunnel at the Institute there at Campus South. And for almost all of us, this was the first time that we'd been inside a real wind tunnel, and we were able to ask our questions and see firsthand what that is like, and to hear about the research that will be done there in the future as they complete the upgrade of the wind tunnel. The workshop was a great success. Technically, we were able to update one another on our research. In terms of learning and development, we learned a lot about modelling, and in particular implementing models using computational fluid dynamics packages, including OpenFOAM. We were able to network with one another and network with our international invited guest, Professor Adjeman, and the young scientists were able to explore and discuss opportunities to develop their careers, in particular overcoming some of the challenges that female scientists in particular face, as well as looking at opportunities to travel and conduct their research abroad. We are very grateful to the DFG for their funding support. I would particularly like to thank Laura Trenkes and Alexander Straw for the incredible effort they put into organising the workshop, and Alexander in particular delivered all of the workshop sessions on modelling, simulation and using OpenFOAM. Thank you for watching this video, and if you'd like to learn more about our ProMiSe project, please check out our project webpage.